So I've bought myself a used 50mm and just gonna do like a quick impression video. Oh come on. Guess he uses PB as well. Right, here we go. Here it is. So this is the 50mm and this is the 25mm f1.8, f1.7. Wow, look at the size difference. That's crazy. Focus, your crap camera, focus. Oh, bloody. Okay, so there's the opening. And there's the back side. Is this thing strapped down with the... Okay. Yep. Much bigger in it. So 250mm lenses. So you can see the appeal of the micro four thirds system is tiny, but I thought about getting the f1.4 or the f1.2 from Sigma. And I know they're going to be bigger, obviously, but I don't mind the weight at this point or the size. Okay, let's go ahead and ta-da! Compare it to the 28 to 200mm. So it's a bit smaller. I think I want to use these two lenses in the kit. So these are the only two lenses I might keep for this camera. Then I'll probably jump onto different. I don't know. I might upgrade this, and I might change this one to something that has a brighter aperture. Maybe like a 24 to 105 or the 28 to 105 from Sigma. Has an f2.8 aperture, so I might change this one. Not that I need to actually like the range on this, but I don't know. Just thinking. Let's go ahead and try these out. So this is the 50mm setup here. Yeah. Quite sleek. Okay, let's go ahead and take a picture. That's the only thing we do ever. The only thing we ever do in our lives. The focus is not gonna work. Oh wait, no way. Is that like the closest? Oh, what the heck? Oh, this lens is like... Okay, that's crazy actually. The closest focusing distance is like really far in my opinion. Yep. Ta-da! I didn't expect that actually. It is. I didn't think it was gonna be like, you know. All right.